Normally, accessing premium indicators on TradingView requires a subscription, but today, we'll show you how to use an incredible trend detection tool for free. In this video, we'll explore the Phantom Flow Trend Detector, a powerful TradingView indicator that identifies trend changes with precision. Whether you're into scalping, intraday trading, or swing trading, this strategy works across multiple timeframes. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the Phantom Flow Trend Detector. Open your TradingView platform, navigate to the Indicator Search tab, type Phantom Flow Trend Detector, and select it from Phantom Flow. To enhance clarity, hide the main candlestick chart. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the chart near the pair's name. Select Hide to disable the main candlestick view. The Phantom Flow Trend Detector uses its own colored candlesticks. Green indicates a bullish trend. Red signifies a bearish trend. Yellow and purple indicate potential trend corrections or transitions. For the best results, only take trades when the candlestick is green, bullish, or red, bearish. Step 2. Adding the Turtle Trade Channels indicator. The second indicator acts as a trigger for entering trades. Here's how to set it up. Go to the Indicator Search tab, type Turtle Trade Channels, and select the version by Kavanaugh's Bilging. Adjust the settings. Input tab. Set entry length to 65. Set exit length to 35. Style tab. Uncheck all markers except for long and short. Click OK to save these changes. The Turtle Trade Channels indicator generates precise buy and sell signals. A buy signal indicates an entry opportunity in an uptrend. A sell signal indicates an entry opportunity in a downtrend. Step 3. How to trade using these indicators. Buy entry setup. Ensure the Phantom Flow Trend Detector candlestick is green, confirming a bullish trend. Wait for a buy signal from the Turtle Trade Channels indicator. Once the signal aligns, place a buy order after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. Set it at the most recent swing low. Take profit. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio for your target. Sell entry setup. Ensure the Phantom Flow Trend Detector candlestick is red, confirming a bearish trend. Wait for a sell signal from the Turtle Trade Channels indicator. Once the signal aligns, place a sell order after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. Set it at the most recent swing high. Take profit. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio for your target. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.